Hello, welcome to my channel Kids Growth. In this video, we know about the National Festival of India. First of all, we know about what are the national festivals. National festivals are the festivals which are celebrated by peoples all over the country irrespective of their caste and religion. National festival brings the feeling of national integrity and patriotism in the heart of all generations, such as the Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Now we know about the list of national festival in India. First, Independence Day. Second, Republic Day. And third one is Gandhi Jayanti. Now we know about Independence Day. Independence Day falls on the 15th of August every year. On this day in 1947, on India the rule by the British government came to an end, which had lasted for almost 200 years. On this day, the Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag at Red Fort in New Delhi every year. National flags are hosted across the country in all the city, town, village, school, college and other educational institute. This day we remember the great struggle of freedom. Now we know about Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. On 26th of January 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect and our country became a republic. It contained the preamble and fundamental rights that is guaranteed to each and every Indian citizen. On this day, President of India hosts the national flag at Rajpath in New Delhi. The armed force march towards the India Gate, the flag hosting is done, and the national anthem is sung. Armed force and group from various states selected by the Ministry of Defense participate in the parade. A leader from a foreign country is invited as a chief guest to honor the event. Now we know about Gandhi Jayanti in short. To remember the father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Mahatma Gandhi. His birth anniversary is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. It falls on the 2nd October every year. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar, Gujarat on 2nd October 1869. The President and the Prime Minister of India paid tribute to Gandhiji by visiting his memorial at New Delhi's Rajghat. This day is also celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence in honor of Mahatma Gandhi. If you like this video, please like, comment and share the video and also subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.